Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to wirelessly connect your Xbox controller back up to the Xbox Series X. So you can see I have it turned on and it's trying to find an Xbox to connect to, but nothing's happening. So if you look at the top of the controller, there is a pairing and syncing button right here. And we're going to want to press this button at the same time as we press the button on the Xbox Series X. So my Xbox Series X is located right here, and there's going to be a button located right by the USB area. So if we press that at the same time as we press the button on the controller, they will be synced together. So I'm going to go over here, and the button is located down here. So I'm going to press this button and the one on the controller at the same time, and they should be synced now after a few blinks. So you can see it's blinking really fast, and this should be blinking here too. So you got to get your Xbox to blink. So it's blinking, this is blinking here, and they should be blinking in sync in a few seconds, and then they'll be connected together. So just give it some time. Otherwise, the quickest way to reconnect them is simply just with a USB cable. So I'm going to press this a couple times and click it in, and it looks like it's connected now. So I can go ahead, go back over here. So you can see it's a solid color now. So if it doesn't work, click it like 3 or 4 times really fast at the same time, and then it should be paired and back connected to your Xbox. Otherwise, the quickest way always will be just a simple USB, plug it in to the Xbox, plug it in your controller, boom. But wirelessly works too. Just press those buttons and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.